Are you looking for the best card tool in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best card tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Wallet Ninja 18-in-1 card tool. You need a multi-tool that you can take with you everywhere, to work, to the baseball game, out on the boat, and even through airport security. You've found it with the Wallet Ninja 18-in-1 card tool. This card multi-tool, which is just barely longer than a traditional credit card, but still fits in a wallet's credit card slot, is made from 4 times heated treated steel to be strong, durable, rust-proof, and consistently sharp. The Wallet Ninja includes 18 tools in its one card size. These tool features include 6 hex wrenches, a can opener, a fruit peeler, a bottle opener, a ruler which includes both standard and metric measurements, a letter opener, a box opener, a phone stand, an eyeglasses size screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a flat head screwdriver. Each corner of the card features a different screwdriver to fit your task at hand. What we really love is the phone stand. Simply slide one of your credit cards into the slot located near the bottom of the multi-tool. You want enough of the credit card to slip through to support the base width of your phone. The multi-tool and credit card then support themselves from the weight of your phone against the angle of their joint, and voila! You have an on-the-go phone holder. The Wallet Ninja is the definition of a can't-leave-at-home tool. Up next in the 4th place is the Victorinox 13-in-1 card tool. Who better to create a great 13-in-1 card tool than the creators of the original Swiss Army knife? Since they came up with the original multi-tool concept, they know exactly what tools to include in a compact yet handy card tool. The Victorinox 13-in-1 card tool is made from Swiss-made stainless steel and includes these emergency-saving features: an emergency blade letter opener, scissors, a magnifying glass, 2 flathead screwdrivers, 2 Phillips head screwdrivers, tweezers, a pressurized ballpoint pen pin, a white lead light, a centimeter ruler, and an inch-based ruler. Most of the tools slide right out of their case so that you won't snag sharp edges on your wallet, hand, or pocket. This card is thin enough to easily fit into any wallet, tough enough to keep in your back pocket, and handy enough to want a card in every extra space you have. The 3rd product on our list is the Smart RSQ Black Edition 37-in-1 card tool. Smart RSQ Black Edition 37-in-1 card tool gift set includes all the tools to get you out of sticky situations. A multi-tool wallet card, whistle, money clip, fire starter, and a carabiner fill out this set, along with a sleeve cover to protect your wallet and fingers from sharp blades. The card tool includes 4 screwdrivers, 1 on each corner, 2 rulers, a nail file, 5 wrenches, a can opener, a fruit peeler, a serrated saw blade, a bottle opener, a right triangle, 4 hex screws, a knife edge, a phone stand card slot, a nail peeler, a cable bender and peeler, a lanyard hole, and a letterbox opener. This set is the perfect combination for hikers, sailors, hunters, handymen, and prepared individuals to have on them at all times. Attach the whistle and fire starter to your keys for extra convenience, and slide the multi-tool and sleeve right into your pocket next to your money clip. At such a budget price for an extensive set, we don't know why you don't have this already. Second on our list is the PGXT 11-in-1 survival card tool. We're proud to say that PGXT 11-in-1 survival card tool is one of the best budget deals on our list, and all your Christmas gifts are taken care of now. This set includes 10 11-in-1 multi-tool cards and 10 faux leather sleeves to protect your pockets, your wallet, and your tools. At this price, that's less than $1 per multi-tool. Each card tool includes a can opener, a serrated blade edge, a flat head screwdriver, a ruler, a bottle opener, a 4-position wrench, a butterfly screw wrench, a flat knife edge, a direction ancillary indication known as a water compass, a 2-position wrench, and a keychain or lanyard hole. The card tool is constructed from 420 high-grade stainless steel for rust-proof, durable, and strong capabilities. Tuck this handy helper in your back pocket and trust that it will save you when you need it next. Even better, gift one to your coworkers, friends, significant other, or at your next white elephant party. Finally, the top product on our list is the Lever Gear Pro 40-in-1 card tool. This is a card tool for grown-ups and simplistic, high-quality aesthetic lovers. All of the graphics are laser etched on the Lever Gear Tool Card Pro, so your measurements won't fade away over time. Lever Gear Pro 40-in-1 card tool is lightweight yet tough as they come since it's manufactured in America with heat-treated 420 stainless steel. Features on the Tool Card Pro include a box opener, a flat credit card bottle opener, open and closed-ended wrenches, 4 screwdrivers, a V-shaped pry bar, a protected inset cord cutter to save your hands and wallet from damage, measuring and drafting tools like rulers, and can opener. You can add the optional money clip if you want to go ultra-light and double your multi-tool as your cash carrier. Since this card tool doesn't sport a sharp, unprotected edge or pointed corners, SA agents will gladly wave you through to your flight with the Tool Card Pro in hand. Choose from silver or tactical black and impress everyone with your on-hand EDIC pocket tool. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.